By the way, I'm zooming, so they are very far. Yeah, yeah, I want to go there.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Coming for a landing. You see, there is a guy that sits behind you with absolutely no protection. I don't know why they're not afraid, man.
他们要抢路了。
The Chinese people, they don't understand. The guy says wait, but they don't understand. Look. Look at this. Look, they're coming for landing. But look at the guy. It's absolutely nothing. He's just hanging there. What a crazy thing. No, I'm afraid of that, man. I got somebody else going now. Oh, Chinese girl. Huh. Okay. Probably Chinese people, they're gonna negotiate the price for 45 hours. Those people, they don't understand. Even I saw like 10, 12 years old doing this shit, man. I don't know how their parents allow them to do that. It's just scary, man. To me, it's just not safe. That's my opinion. Also, I need to remove my shirt because it's just so hot, guys. Okay, guys, shirt is off. Now it's 100% much better. It is hot as hell, man. You know what I feel? Like I'm getting used to this life now. You know, almost 2 years that I'm in Southeast Asia. But you know what I feel bad? Now in some part of the world, winter, you know, and it's cold weather. Now it's cold. In Canada now it's cold. Probably people wearing jackets right now. And now everybody here enjoying their life. Instead of being in bloody cold weather. Like, if you can live next to this water, why you have to live next to CN Tower? I don't understand. I rather to live next to water, to this beach. Always summer, always beautiful. Like seriously, this is heaven on earth. When you live in next to the beach, you have a best possible life. Seriously. best possible life that somebody can have. Look, another one is going for landing. Let's see. Yesterday and today is really beautiful. It's sunny, not raining, and it's beautiful. Probably today is not gonna rain whatsoever. There's a lot of beautiful girls, really lots. I don't mean the Russian ones. Yeah, and I feel like I lost a little bit of weight because I'm hiking a lot. I'm walking a lot for past few days. I hope in Koh Samui I can lose 5 pounds. 5 pounds. I need to get rid of that. If you're somewhere in cold countries, I hope you can make it and take some time off and 10 days, 7 days, whatever, and go somewhere that is warm next to the beach. Because it's gonna change your mood, it's gonna change pretty much a lot of things. I was going through the same thing for 30 years. Bloody long winter, and we used to go to Mexico all the time. Mexico and Cuba. Obviously in North America you have, really easy option to go to Mexico. But I got sick of Mexico pretty much. Because first of all, it's just getting so pricey. Holy shit, in some cases, some of the bar there charging $100 for a beer. I swear, to get into the club. Holy shit. $100? $100 US. It's just like $130, $40 Canadian. Actually, this happened for past few years. It's just getting nuts there. Well, there are a lot of people going, still people going. But here, you won't see that kind of pricing, guys. So $100 for a beer, for a small one. Oh wow, this part of the Kata Beach is crowded as hell too. Look at it. All the chairs pretty much is full. You know what I feel, guys? I want to tell you guys the difference between the crowd here, and for example in South America, like let's see if you are in South America like Brazil or so many other places with the nice beaches, people more friendly, people talkative, you can approach people, you can talk to people, you can approach girls if you want. But here the crowd is just not like that, like pretty much everybody just sitting and so look miserable. That's it. I don't know why. Like I'm sure nobody here, can talk to nobody. Like it is not easy. Wow, this part is very crowded too. Look at this. Today, I was watching the news on YouTube, and then I come across a YouTuber. He said, and the video is from 4 months ago. 4 months ago. So it is not like 2 years ago after COVID or anything like that. He said, that's funny. Like sometimes I get fucking freak out when I see some of these fucking YouTubers, man. He said, Phuket is getting cheaper, and I said to myself, seriously, have you been to Phuket before? Like to me, I don't know why they come up with this information. Like I don't know. Like based on what you're saying that Phuket is cheaper now, it's just getting more expensive. Everywhere in Thailand getting more expensive, But he was saying it's just getting cheaper. The only time that it was really cheap, it was after COVID. But after that, price keep going up and up and up and up. So based on what he was saying, Phuket is getting cheaper. I didn't watch because, to be honest with you, when I see this kind of nonsense, somebody counting 36 scam in Thailand, 10 scams in Bali, or some of these YouTubers, Phuket is getting cheaper. It's just like, to me, it doesn't make sense, so I don't want to waste my time to watch. Because it just logically doesn't make sense, because everybody knows everywhere prices is going up. So that nonsense, it doesn't cut it to me. I don't want to waste my time of watching it. But yeah, he was saying Phuket is getting cheaper. I was thinking, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? You tell me which part of this world now price is not going up. Everywhere the inflation is just keep going up and the price is going up. Based on his nonsense, the same way that some of them come up and say 36 scam in Thailand. If you don't believe me, just go to YouTube and take a look at it. The guy says 36 type of scam in Thailand. It's just laughable, man. So we are in the end. That's it. There's nothing else. There's a villa, or I don't know, what is it? Somebody's house, somebody's villa. But it's just one. I don't know if that's a hotel, rental. I have no idea. But the view that individual has is just lovely. I need to generate more subscribers for my channel, man. I need people to watch. And guess what? People, I see one YouTuber, he goes to the nude beaches. He goes to the nude beaches and he gets a lot of subscribers. So pretty much I'm gonna do the shit too. When I'm going to Koh Samui, guys, I heard there is a nude beach there. Everybody says it's just like you won't see any ladies, usually it's just a man, but I'm just gonna walk there and show you guys how to get there, regardless. So this is the end of the beach, and it's lovely as hell. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And it's very quiet in the end because nobody's here. Everybody relaxing, nobody here. Oh, let me see. What is an option here? Oh, wow. What this guy is doing here? He's doing some shit. What he's doing? Fishing here? Oh, there's a hotel right there, up there. They have a nice view, man, from there. Oh, look at the balcony that they have. Holy shit. It's gigantic. I don't know what this guy's doing, but they're doing something. Fishing here. This is the end of the beach and some of the girls walking. So the water level is very low. I can do the same thing, but I have my camera on me, I have money, my credit card, all the shit. I don't know why I brought all these things. I'll go and drop everything and come back. And look at this. I don't know where those guys going, those girls. Going somewhere. Beautiful. Here's a beautiful Alai. And thank you for all those positive comments that they understood my joke. Not like the other guy that was telling me I'm making fun of Thai people with the Thai accent. Some people is just miserable as fuck. You cannot change them. Again, for a full disclosure, I'm not making fun of anybody. I'm just making some kind of, funny accent for you guys to laugh. That's it. I'm not disrespecting anybody. So if you feel that way, don't watch my video. Guys, what do you think about my haircut? You see, guys, it's just zero on the side and with the machine on the top. Obviously, he didn't do a fantastic job, but it's okay. I like it, man. In the morning, it's just so easy, especially in this heat. It takes about, because I got to shower 5 times a day. So it's just so simple, man, when you have a short hair. I love it. I'm going to do this when I'm in Koh Samui again. I really love it. You see, guys, it's just all the chairs is completely booked and full. Like, even if you want to rent right there, it's just impossible. So I'm gonna go grab my own towel. I won't pay $100 for this shit. Oh, look at this puppy. The only difference here, you know, if I was in South America, probably with the like next to the beautiful beach, you can have a better content. You know, you can talk to people, you can do something. But here, no, it's just impossible. You see, guys, chairs are absolutely full. So if you don't know, if you're watching my video right now, not my previous video here, Phuket is invaded by, under invasion by Chinese, sorry, with what is that? Russians. So if you come in here, don't expect to see anybody else except Russians. 99.9%. Especially in Kata Beach, Karun Beach, Kamala. In Patang, no. Patang, you're going to see a lot of Indians. The Russian lady was drinking champagne at 11 o'clock in the morning. If I drink alcohol now, probably I'm gonna have a headache all day. This guy is going. Let's see how he's gonna fly. He's going. Let's wait. Let's see. Look at the guy in the back. Look at it. Look at it. Look what he's gonna do. Holy shit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Look at the guy in the back. Look at the guy in the back, guys. Look. Holy macaroni. Look, he sits exactly next to him. On top of his head, actually. I'm scared, man. That's scary. That is not for me. That's crazy scary, man. But the guy that sits next, like top of your head, that guy doesn't have nothing. He just pulls himself up. And he sits on the rope. I don't know, man. They are professional, but you know, shit can happen up there. He was doing something to my camera. He was showing finger or something. It seems to me here they do a better job because they take you all the way in. Because if you do it in Patong, it just takes about 2 seconds. Because for them it's just commercial. It just come, do it in 2 seconds. Look how far the guy went. In Patong it doesn't happen, man. In Patong 1 kilometer is 1,500. I guess 2 kilometers is 2,500. So it is very pricey. But here seems to me they have only one price. I don't know. I didn't ask, but I'm assuming. Because look how deep the guy went. So today is a lovely day. I don't want to go anywhere else except beach. I'm gonna go grab my towel, my sunscreen, my sun cream, and then come and hang out at the beach. This is the plan. And I already walked all the way from one end to another end. So for you guys. These two friends just see each other right now. I don't need to tell you where are they from. I'm sure you know. The guy is coming back. I guess coming for landing. Holy macaroni, look at this. Look at that crazy guy behind him. Like he's sitting on the rope. Are you kidding me? How much he makes to do this shit? See, he knows how to control everything. For a landing, to go left, right. So, if the guy not in the back, probably, you know, it is not easy to do it. Like for average people. Unless you did it like 100 times and you know how everything functional. Oh, the wave is perfect now for surfing. But I don't know if these guys is amateur or professionals. Oh Jesus, they're Russian. Probably they don't know shit. Acting to be cool. And the red flag is up, means don't swim here. Do not swim in the area. Okay, there's Thai, there's English, there's Chinese and Russian. As usual. So surprising. So surprising, you see, after Thai, English, after that Chinese and Russians. It is not surprising everywhere here. But Chinese doesn't like water. Chinese doesn't like sun. So why they come here? Oh, they eat, guys. They eat like no tomorrow. Yeah, I guess they come to eat. I don't know. They cannot come outside because of the sun. So I don't know why they come into vacation. If you come into Thailand to beautiful beaches, and if you cannot take sun, so why you are here? It's just getting really wavy now. Look at it. It's perfect for surfing, if you know what you're doing, obviously. Look at this. Sorry? Look at here, it is absolutely insane. Look how crazy it's getting now. Oh, I was zooming in that part, so now it's better. You guys can see it. Okay guys, I'm heading back. I want to leave my camera in my room. Here it's so crowded I cannot trust to leave my stuff here and go to water. So I need to leave everything back in my room, take my towel and come back here. I'm not gonna do anything else. Today is a beach day for me. By the way, I need to grab something to eat too. Oh. I feel to have a good pizza, but I don't know where is the good pizza here. I want a really good pizza. This is the map that goes from here all the way to Phuket town. But local bus to Kata Beach, Karun Patang, Shoreline Beach. This goddamn guy right there sitting there questioned that it says Patang. He started yelling at me, screaming at me. Like seriously, some of these guys like here they treat the tourists with absolutely disrespect. The guy on his phone, he don't want to answer any question. He started screaming at me, the bloody guy. Like, don't do this job if you don't need to, if you don't want to answer any questions. Because on the sign says Patang. And I'm saying, is it gonna go to Patang? He started screaming at me. Like they are goddamn these drivers here, regardless. Tuk-tuk driver, bus driver, whatever. They are fucking idiots. Just the money-hungry scam artists. Just they want money. That's it. Just give me your money. The fucking guy started screaming at me. I had to put him on camera when he was like talking to me like that. But the camera was off. After that, I decided to zoom on him. I don't know, man. The problem is with the taxi here and this kind of transportation everywhere in Thailand. This is the worst things that you can go through. Worse. There is very thin crust. I got it to go. I want to go to the beach and eat my pizza. Oh, thank you very much. So it seems to me there's a few toppings like pepperoni and I don't know, some stuff, I don't know. Some peppers and I believe that's a green pepper. That's it. I guess it's just a pepperoni and green pepper. not much of cheese. Okay, my pizza is in. Right there. In the oven. Cooking. The problem is there's not enough toppings. Nothing. Yeah, here absolutely nobody, nothing. Like when you go into restaurant, cafe, anywhere, they're not friendly. Absolutely not. They are very, very harsh. And this is only happening here in Phuket. Pattaya even is not like that. Phuket is just something else. Tuk-tuk service. So I don't know how much this guy is charging to go to Patong. I don't know, man. When I talked to the guy, he just changed my mood, man. I'm just asking, on the sign says Patong. So I'm saying, like, are you going to stop in Patong? He started screaming at me. No, read. I'm saying, it's just like, I cannot wait to go to Koh Samui. It is really thin crust with absolutely no toppings for 250 baht. Very rip-off. Kapun Kap, do you have a chili? Do you have a chili? Chili. Yes, on the side. It's okay, no problem. Yeah, I'll be honest with you. It's not gonna be good. I saw that. But I got my pizza. Heading to my room. I want to relax because it's so hot here, man. And I didn't have my shirt on, so I don't want to go sit inside the restaurant. So I'll go to my room and have my pizza peacefully under air conditioning. And the pizza wasn't really good. I'm a master of pizza eating. I love pizza, but this pizza sucks. At 250 baht, guys, 10 bucks. Not good. But what can I do already about it? The pizza that I got in Patong, it was really good, man. That was good. This is a joke. And guess what, guys? There is another place that usually I go in Koh Samui. The guy is a lovely man. Lovely guy. He is one of the nicest guy in terms of restaurants owner that I come across. The guy is very genuine. What happened was, I was passing by. The restaurant has, seriously, like if you pass by, you're gonna say, oh no, I won't eat here. So he just has few chairs and he said to me, I was looking at his pizza sign, and he said, try my pizza, but very honest way, very sincere way. He said, try my pizza is very good. I said, okay, I'll trust you. And since that, guys, I've been to that restaurant maybe 50 times when I was in Koh Samui. And I cannot wait to go and see him. And guess what? He has only pizza, pasta, few options, and the Thai food. I never had his Thai food. One day I saw one guy, I guess he was from somewhere in Europe. He was playing soccer across the street, and he came to grab his food, and then he said to me, and then I saw like, seems to me he is regularly going there. I said, here is fantastic, man. The guy is really nice and the food is good. He said, oh yeah, I know. Usually I play soccer here and I'm backpacking with my wife. So I spend like 2-3 months here in Koh Samui, and every day I come here. I said, yeah, me too, man. A little bit far from me, but I really love it. The guy attitude and service and everything, and the food and the pizza is fantastic, man. I never had his Thai food, but the guy says even his Thai food is so delicious. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna end the video for now. Let me go to my room and take a look at the pizza. Guys, I'm gonna end the video. Pizza is not good whatsoever, but you know, because I love pizza, I gotta have it. So I'm just gonna end the video, guys. Thank you for watching this video too, and hopefully I cannot wait to share more content with you guys when I'm in Koh Samui. Cheers for now.